Assalamu alaikum everyone. Football or soccer is the most popular sport for Egyptians. In this episode, we will talk about some important keywords that are related to football. Before we start, don't forget to join my free Egyptian 101 online course and download my free ebook. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Let's start with the first keyword. كرة القدم football. كرة القدم. Ball is كرة or كرة in modern standard Arabic, and القدم it means the foot in modern standard Arabic. Okay, so we don't say القدم in Egyptian, we say الرجل instead, foot, or the leg. But we say القدم, this is more modern standard Arabic. So كرة القدم as an expression, it means football. كرة القدم as a combined word. كرة القدم football. Sometimes Egyptians say just كورة. كورة. أنا بتفرج على الكورة. I am watching football. Okay. أنا بحب ألعب كورة. I love to play football. So if you hear an Egyptian saying just كورة, it means football. Okay. So كرة القدم, this is a complete term, and just كورة, it means also football, but it's a short term. Penalty is ضربة جزاء. Penalty, ضربة جزاء. This is the Arabic word. ضربة, it means hit, and the جزاء, it means the, let's say the retaliation, or this is a punishment or something like this. جزاء. Okay, so ضربة جزاء as a combined word, it means the penalty. And something that's really funny, Egyptians used to say penalty. Okay, instead of penalty, they say plenty. Okay, they say plenty, plenty. Okay, and of course, plenty, it means a lot in English, but people used to say it wrong. Okay, so it means penalty, the English word, and people try to say the English word, and this was really in the last generations, 50 years ago, that this plenty was really very popular as a word, but people now say most of the time ضربة جزاء and say penalty also most of the time. Goal, it means in Egyptian جون. جون. In modern Arabic, it is هدف. Okay, هدف in Arabic, modern Arabic, but in Egyptians we don't say هدف. We say جون with N at the end. And it is just a mimic of the actual English word, which is goal. But Egyptians don't say the L in their speech, they just say the N instead. I don't know why, but this is what happens. And so if you happen to watch a football game or a soccer game and you have like a goal there, many Egyptians will say goal instead of goal. Okay, and now you know why. Player is لاعب. Player is لاعب. Okay, the person who is playing, لاعب. And a variation of it is called لعيب. And لعيب is what we call صيغة المبالغة or exaggeration form. So it is from لاعب, but he is really skilled that we say لعيب. لعيب. So it has more of a skill into this adjective. Okay, so when we say يا ولد يا لعيب, you skilled player, or you skilled player. So it is just I am really excited when I see a good move or a good skill with the football, with the ball. So I say يا لعيب, or not just player, but you are a skilled player. So now we know لاعب, just a player, and لعيب is a very skilled player. Goalkeeper, it means حارس مرمى. And the marma, it is the goal itself. The marma, it is the target itself. This is the marma. Okay, حارس, it means the keeper, or the person who is supposed to save this target, so no balls are getting into it. Okay, so حارس المرمى, the guard of this target. Okay, so حارس المرمى, guard of the target, goalkeeper. حكم, referee, حكم. So الحكم here, it means the person who is controlling the game itself. So الحكم, the referee. Say it with me again. الحكم. Stadium is استاد. So stadium. We say استاد in spoken Egyptian. We don't complete the word till the end. We just say استاد and stop on the D. Okay, so استاد القاهرة, for example, is the Cairo Stadium. استاد القاهرة. استاد اسكندرية, Alexandria Stadium, and so on. So say it with me again. استاد. أنا رايح الاستاد. I'm going to the stadium. Team, فريق. Team. Okay, فريقي, my team. So فريق, the 11 players is called, or the team of 11 players is called فريق. Goal kick is ضربة مرمى. Okay, so goal kick. Goal here is a marma, is a target, and the kick here is ضربة. So we say ضربة instead of ركلة, which is more of a modern standard Arabic one. But we say in Egyptian not ركلة, we say ضربة instead. So ضربة مرمى. ضربة جزاء, okay, which is penalty. ضربة ركنية, which is the corner kick. ضربة ركنية. ركن, it means corner. So ركنية, corner kick, and so on. So ضربة مرمى here, it means goal kick. Our last term today is مدافع, which is a defender. مدافع, from the verb يدافع, to defend. مدافع is a defender. Okay, مدافع, defender. So say it again with me. مدافع. Did you find these words easy? I hope so. And of course, there are many other terms which are related to soccer or football, and I will discuss them in another episode, maybe a part 2 of this one in the future. Thanks a lot for watching it, and if you have any question in any of these words, don't forget to comment and ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget also to join my free Egyptian Arabic 101 online course and download my free ebook guide. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Linguamid. Thanks a lot, and see you in a future episode.